The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, India's next indigenous fighter, is expected to make its first flight by 2032. Development work on the jet is underway. The AMCA will feature geometric stealth and will initially fly with two GE414 engines. Once we develop our own engine, it can be replaced with that. We expect the first flight in 2032, a defense source said. There are two major ways of making a military platform stealthier. One is geometric stealth and other is material stealth. In geometric stealth, the shape of the aircraft is designed at such angles so as to deflect away maximum radar waves, thereby minimizing its radar cross-section. In material stealth, radar-absorbing materials are used in making the aircraft, which will absorb the radio waves, thus reducing the radar footprint. The AMCA will initially be based on geometric stealth. We can look at material stealth at a later stage, the source said. The Indian Air Force has given land to the Defense Research and Development Organization to set up facilities for the project. The plan is to build on the capabilities and expertise developed during the development of the Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, and produce a medium fifth-generation fighter aircraft. Apart from the technologies developed from the LCA project, the new fighter program is important as technologies coming in through that will flow into the AMCA project, another official source said. The aircraft will be powered by the same GE414 engine on the LCA Mk2 variant, which is in the design phase. A GE414 produces 98 kilonewtons thrust compared to 84 kilonewtons thrust of the GE404 engine, which is on the LCA Mk1. At Aero India 2016, DRDO officials had stated that the basic design configuration has been frozen after wind tunnel testing, and there are three critical technologies that need to be developed: stealth, thrust vectoring and supercruise. This is India's only fifth-generation aircraft program following the decision not to go ahead with the fifth-generation project with Russia.